Hello and welcome back to Building on a Budget Models. I'm Thomas. Today we're going to be unboxing this. It's the Fujimi 1/24th scale Mercedes-Benz AMG C-Class DTM 94. This one was from Hero Boy. It was also a birthday present for me. There's some suggested colours there. Other information on this side. Okay, we'll open it up. Black sprues, clear sprue, more black sprues, a grey sprue, body, tyres. Got instructions and a very small decal sheet. The C-Class was a compact executive saloon introduced in 1993 to replace the outgoing Mercedes 109. The AMG-tuned C-Class was entered into the DTM, Deutsche Tourenwagen-Meisterschaft, in 1994, winning the championship first with Klaus Ludwig in 94 and then with Bernd Schneider in 1995. The C-Class was also used as the official safety car in the 96 and 97 Formula One World Championships. So this kit was previously motorised and then it was re-released as a model kit. You can see here that there are many greyed out parts which aren't used. And there are some optional things, like there are 2 steering wheels, so you could choose one or the other. The steps are very, very simple. Very simplified suspension, interior, all that stuff. And there you are, it's finished. Just one small decal sheet with the dials and also this kind of central console area. So it's got a couple of black sprues in here. So this one here has some of the mechanical interior detail, which is a nice addition. And you've also got these optional headlights for if you want to use the kind of blanked out ones. Then we've got door cards. These are pretty much the road car door cards, I think. Wipers. There are also the optional wipers for the headlights. Other wing mirrors, door handles, steering wheel. You've got the Mercedes logo for the bonnet, handbrake, gear stick, and then you've got the dashboard, which I think is the road car dashboard. Could do a bit of modification to make that into a race car version. And you've got number plates here. So more black sprues in here. This one here has got the wheels. These are the wheels that were used in the 94 DTM season. Also got another Mercedes logo, so I guess you use the one you like the most. Some different mirrors, some different door handles, parts for the suspension, other different mirrors, other number plates. And these are parts for the rear wing. So yeah, not too much flash on here. I mean, it's a simple kit, but you are given quite a few things to sort of play around with. And we've got the floor of the car here with some moulded in detail. As I said, there's no accurate suspension in this kit. And then you've got another sprue here which has got things, other parts for the suspension. You've got the very simplified roll cage. There's a windscreen wiper there, an alternative steering wheel and rear view mirror. Now this sprue here, which is very flash heavy, has got 2 road car style seats, which obviously wouldn't be suitable for racing. I'm thinking I might replace these. And then you've got these other parts here, which I think were for the motorised version. That looks very much, in fact, yeah, that's a battery compartment. So those won't be used. Right, then we've got some discs in here, some disc brakes. They actually say Brembo on them, which is quite a nice little moulding. This sprue, I think it's just pretty generic, and I don't think it came with the kit originally, but it's a nice feature. So then we've got the clear sprue here, just one part for the interior, no detailing on there at all. Got the headlights there, those do have some detailing. The clear part here which goes on the dashboard, and the tail lights here. So quite simple. Then we've got the tyres. I'll just pick out a couple of these. These are all the same, and you've also got the poly caps. So these are slicks which would be suitable for the race car but not for the road. So then you've got the bodywork, which is very simplistic, especially compared to the Tamiya version. Details are all moulded in, so there's some open vents, but then you've got areas like this which on the real car would be open. It's nice that the door handles are separate because that means it's easier to paint, but yeah, obviously moulded in this black, which isn't the easiest to work with. These moulded in exhaust pipes are pretty horrible. And you've got Mercedes badge, bonnet, boot pins there, holes for the boot. I mean, you know, I'm going to be, you know, doing a few experiments with this. So there we have it. This former motorised kit from Fujimi. I'm going to be building this soon, trying out a few different things with it. Also, I'm going to give it a custom livery, but based on a real race car that Mercedes ran. Thanks a lot for watching. Let me know in the comments if you've built one of these, what you think, if you built the Tamiya version. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.